success isn't built in a day. It's built one lesson at a time. So today we are starting the output section of the NodeRED dashboard as we have completed all the input nodes. So today we will learn the text node. We have already used it in many of our examples, but in this lecture we'll actually know how to use this. So I will connect and input text and output text for your better understanding. I'll assign it a group and you can give it a label. And this is the representation of how label and value will be shown. Let's select this one. You can apply more styles like font, text size, and color. And adding a class to this variable can add more features to it that we will learn later. And whatever you input with the inject or the any type of input node that will be shown at the output text node. It is similar to the debug in our node flow for that for the dashboard. So it's a type of input. Let's test it. Here is my input node. So let's say, so you see the label on the upper side of the text. You can change the orientation. Let's say this one, and we will also change the font. So you can change the display format of this output as per your application. So this node is only this much. And when you learn the CSS or editing, then you can add more features to it. So that's it for this lesson. Thank you.